Fate of our Universe by Abeer. To understand how our universe will end, I would first explain dark energy. I'm sure you're familiar with the fact that gravitational force is an attractive force which acts between two or more objects and tries to bring objects closer. So, if this is the only force present in our universe, then we would have expected other astronomical objects to come closer to us, and our universe should have contracted over time. Since our universe is not contracting but expanding, it indicates the presence of some repulsive force in our universe. Very less is known about this repulsive force, and scientists call it dark energy. Scientists think that dark energy is a kind of energy which acts opposite to gravity. It is a repulsive force and which is present in our universe. It occupies the entire universe and accounts for the most of energy in it. It turns out that roughly 68% of the universe is dark energy. What is the rest 32%? It is interesting to know. Normal matter like sun, stars, planets, which we observe, adds up to less than 5% of our universe. The left 27% of our universe is made of something called of dark matter. What is dark matter? As I mentioned before, that normal matter we observe in space are objects that emit some type of electromagnetic radiation and are thus visible to us. Dark matter emits no electromagnetic radiation, so we cannot observe it directly. However, astronomers know that dark matter exists because its gravity affects the motion of objects around it. Dark matter and normal matter account for the attractive force in our universe, which I will call as the red team. Dark energy accounts for the repulsive forces, which I will refer to as the blue team. It is a fight between red and blue team, which is going to decide how our universe is going to end. If the blue team wins, the repulsive force will be more than the attractive force, and if the red team wins, the attractive force will be more than the repulsive force. You will be surprised to know that the blue team, which consists of dark energy, is not fixed. It is going with the time. As the universe is expanding, the dark energy between space is increasing. The question to think is, where does this energy come from? If the rate at which the dark energy is growing is not fast enough to overcome the attractive pull of the dark matter, the red team will win, and the universe would someday start to contract and eventually get squeezed together in a big crunch, the opposite of the Big Bang. If the rate at which the dark energy is increasing is fast enough to overcome the attractive force from the dark matter, then the blue team will win, and the universe will expand forever. Although the expansion will slow down over time. The third death, called the Big Rip, will be the most painful death of our universe. In this case, dark energy will be more than the dark matter, just like in the case of Big Freeze. But the amount of dark energy in the universe will be so large that the repulsive force will rip everything apart. Everything will be torn apart. This would leave this universe full of single disconnected particles. Thank you.